bawal po ang sisig, bawal ang chicharon. So, high-fat diet, no? So, sa akin nga, ang first na sinasabi ko sa patient, no fast food. Yan ang number one rule because fast food, very high cholesterol. Example ako, I don't know if I told that to some of you. May pasyente ako, no? Hindi siya kumakain ng fast food, but yung relative niya, nag-donate daw ng the oil that they use for frying, simple frying lang. And they tested the cholesterol. That cholesterol, shoot up to 200. So, ibig sabihin, it's not merely the burger, the chicken that you eat in fast food, but the oil that they use. Kaya nga, ako, pag doktora mataas cholesterol ko, out muna sa fast food. Very high fat. Ano pa, if you look at the priority, no? Ibig sabihin, yung highest cholesterol content ng food, pinggang Pinoy. So, highest is beef. That's the highest cholesterol. And then you have the pork. That's why you can take chicken, fish. Yun yung marami mong kakainin. Yung nasa pinakababa ng pyramid, which is vegetable and fruits. And then you have fish and then you have chicken. Tapos, kaya nga pyramid, yung pinakamataas, yung pinaka-content, that's the beef. Next to it is pork. So, mas maraming nasa baba, which is fish, chicken, and vegetables. Opo, olive oil talaga, no? Because olive oil is being used in the Mediterranean diet, no? And studies have shown, no, in the Mediterranean, so those countries from Italy, Spain, longer life. Kasi high consumption of olive oil. The rest, yun na nga eh. Kaya dapat, you can use olive oil, pero hindi naman marami. So you can use it just to pan-fry. You don't need to submerge all the food that you take, that you cook in olive oil. Just a whisk of oil. Ganun lang po. If you're asking what's the best oil, it's olive oil. No. Avocado? Well, avocado oil is good because it has good unsaturated fat. Technically, it should work. It should work. Less cholesterol yun. Better than coconut. Yes, tama. Avocado. Because technically, avocado is good. Very high in HDL, non-LDL. So, kaya lang, when you take avocado, lalagyan mo ng asukal, ng condensed, stop it. Stop it. It's just the avocado, okay? And the oil, okay? Kasi, sometimes patients are so pilosopo. Sige, pwede avocado, so lalagyan ng kondensada, lalagyan ng super daming milk, tapos mataas cholesterol, mataas ang sugar. If you just avocado, then that's fine. Okay, maybe non-fat, a little, stevia, para medyo malasa, but not the condensed milk and all the rest. You are what you eat. Okay, so that's high-fat diet no? So, it's very rich in cholesterol. Okay, yun nga, we were talking about kung very high amounts of egg, no? So, that's high-fat, no? So, kasi ang lagi nilitingnan nila, kasi egg do have albumin, which is protein, very good for the body. Especially for those who are going to the gym, no? Yung white dun sa egg, okay yun, no? But the egg has high cholesterol. Now, if you want to eat lots of white, okay lang. But not the red one, kasi high cholesterol siya.